Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do a database maintenance. Running this utility will help keep your databases lean and able to run at peak performance. It only takes a few minutes to do, and here's how you do it. Step 1. Make sure you are on the main computer and you have performed a backup. If you'd like to learn how to perform a backup, there is a link in the description below. Step 2. Make sure all other users are out of Winworks Autoshop. And then click on Winworks Applications. From here, you'll click on Database Maintenance. And now once you're in here, you'll see the main databases. The premium database is only used for premium edition users. And there's the 4 other main databases: Autoshop, Shop Data, Management Data, and Work Orders. So you go through each one of them by clicking on it, and then click Repair and Compact. And then click on the next database. And this will just make sure your databases are running smooth and clean. You shouldn't have to do this too often, but every once in a while it is a good thing to do. And once you perform the repair and compact on the last database, click OK. And now close out of the utility, and you can resume your workday. So that's how you do database maintenance. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or send us an email.